Did you know that you can use free AI tools such as ChatGPT to make money working online full-time? You've probably read dozens of articles and watched hundreds of videos about how you can use the power of AI to make money working online, fully remote from the comfort of your couch. Well, today, let me share with you my experience and knowledge of how I use ChatGPT to help me start a successful online business. To give you some context, I use ChatGPT to assist me in my day-to-day flourishing writing career. I've been using ChatGPT for only a couple of months. However, this powerful chatbot has helped me expand my niche and offer my clients a variety of services. In this video, I'll share with you how to start 3 successful online businesses using ChatGPT. These AI business ideas have tremendous potential to make you a decent sum of money each month and take your career to the next level. So, without wasting any more time, let's look at our first AI business idea. Before we begin, like and subscribe if you want to be a millionaire this year. The first online business idea that is pretty easy to set up and doesn't require much effort or investment is doing people's homework with AI. And although this might not seem super profitable at first glance, I promise it is. There are people online paying $5 per math problem for their online test. And if their test has easy questions, that's an easy $250 you get by simply copying and pasting people's test questions into ChatGPT and sending back the answers. And if you're wondering why people would pay you that much money to solve their math homework when they can do it themselves, well, the answer is simple. Either these people do not know that you can use ChatGPT and other free AI tools to solve math problems, or they're simply too lazy to do it themselves. And it's not just about solving math problems. You can also get paid to write academic papers, essays, school projects, and a lot more writing assignments that are time-consuming and frustrating for many students. Simply paste the topic that needs to be researched and written into ChatGPT and provide a few details such as the subheadings, the number of paragraphs, or word count about what you want. ChatGPT will follow the instructions and get your project completed within minutes. Later, all you have to do is make sure it doesn't look like it's written by an AI tool. You can simply use free paraphrasing tools such as Quillbot to rephrase the words and make them sound natural and human-written. Editing the project or document may take some time, but it's necessary and can help you get more clients and earn more money in the future. This side hustle can come in handy, especially if you're a student yourself and want to earn a few quick bucks. Okay, that was an easy business idea to get started with, especially if you're a student with very little experience. There are plenty of business ideas that can help you generate income by using the power of artificial intelligence. The second method to earn money by using free AI tools is blog writing, more specifically, writing cash cow blogs. How this works is AI writes the blog for you, and then as the blog grows, you can implement sponsors, affiliates, or promoter-owned brands to make lots of money. Now, starting a blog may sound difficult, but as you follow the steps I mention in this video, you'll find an easy step-by-step guide to starting and running your own profitable blog. The first thing you want to do is select your niche. If you find something that interests you, you can choose that as your niche for your blog. For instance, if you enjoy traveling, you can create a travel blog and write about the places you visited and monetize it by using affiliates of various hotels and restaurants. However, if you're lost and don't know what niche is the most profitable, you can head over to ChatGPT and type a simple prompt such as, "Can you list out the top 10 most profitable niches for creating a blog in 2024? ChatGPT will then list out a list of ideas for your blog. If you aren't satisfied with the results, you can ask ChatGPT to list out a few more ideas and then select the best one that suits you. Once you've chosen your niche, the next step is setting up your blog. There are plenty of website hosting options out there, but the one I prefer is Hostinger. You can choose the one that best suits your needs. If this is your first time creating a blog, make sure you spend some time doing diligent research before spending your money on a domain and blog hosting service. Here's a free tip to help you out with deciding what your blog should be about. Your blog could be about something that you're passionate about or something that is highly profitable like fitness tips or pets or fashion and lifestyle. These 3 niches are highly profitable in 2024 and can help you get monetized quickly and earn more money from your blog. Besides starting your own blog, you can use ChatGPT to help you improve your writing skills and work for other people who own blogs. This way, You do not have to spend money on hosting and running your blog and can also earn from your writing. The best way to find more clients is by listing your services on websites such as Fiverr and Upwork. We'll discuss more about how you can find more clients later on in the video. But let's look at our final and most profitable business opportunity using ChatGPT. Keep in mind that this final method of making money using AI requires that you at least know some basic English. It's for this reason that this AI money-making technique is included at the end of this video. As for the money-making technique itself, it's nothing complicated. All you have to do is use the power of AI to write contracts for your clients. But you must be wondering, who would hire me as a contract writer with zero experience? Well, a while ago, we talked about listing your services on websites such as Fiverr and Upwork to get clients to hire you. The only way to attract clients to your listing is by charging the right price and providing proof that you can get the job done. In the case of getting hired to work as a contract writer, your ideal price should start at around $40 per contract piece. Keep in mind that you don't want to charge too low or too high, especially when you don't have experience. As for the part where you need to show the potential client that you're capable of getting the job done, I'd suggest you add a few samples of your AI-written work in the portfolio section of these websites. That way, you're more likely to get hired. So for instance, if you're working as a contract writer, all you have to do is get around 5 to 6 contracts written by ChatGPT and then add them to your portfolio as your work experience. Here's a great tip to show as past work. Make sure you write different types of contracts so that you can attract different types of clients in the future. You see, there are different types of contracts like employee contracts, LLC partnership contracts, basic selling contracts, etc. You need to provide examples of what a wide variety of people will want, so a wide variety of people will think you're capable of writing their contract and hire you. At this point, your account is fully set up and ready to sell your service. But how do you use ChatGPT to write a contract? Well, I'll show you an example of how to write the prompt for a great contract that sells and makes money. The example I'll be taking is an employee contract. Say, for example, my client Larry runs a landscaping business and needs a contract for a new client. He sent me a message with all the details about his employee and everything he wants added to the contract. I'll copy all the details and head over to ChatGPT and tell it to write me a contract. I'll mention the type of contract and the type of business. This is the prompt I'll write. Write me a landscaping contract for Larry's Landscaping's new employee, Johnny Davies. He will work 40 hours a week at the hourly rate of $20 per hour. Other benefits include free health insurance and a bonus once a year. This is just a basic prompt containing all the details about the employee. ChatGPT won't waste time and within seconds will spit out a brilliantly written employee contract. Once ChatGPT writes the contract, I'll make sure to read it once to ensure everything is correct and all the details are included, and then send it to Larry for final approval before he pays me. As you can see, it's a simple and quick process. All you have to do is feed all the details to ChatGPT, and it formulates a well-written contract that looks professional. I simply have to send it to my client and get paid for a few minutes of work. You can earn a minimum of $500 a day if you get enough clients. One thing to keep in mind and make sure you never do is claiming you can write long legal contracts. These need more knowledge than AI can currently provide, so make sure to focus your attention on small, 1 to 3 page contracts for small agreements. So, there you have it. These were my 3 sources of income totally using ChatGPT. If you have learned something new from this video, then give us a like and subscribe for more such videos. If you want to make an extra $600,000, then you check out our recent video on how to make an easy $600,000 with AI side hustle.